Chinese survey vessel Xiang 1 has entered the Bay of Bengal a short while ago. The Chinese government has officially confirmed the existence of a hypersonic air-to-air missile that could have a range of over 1,000 kilometers. A twin-seater Mirage 2000 fighter jet of the Indian Air Force has crashed during a routine training sortie, and both the pilots ejected safely. India and the US have agreed to develop a 10-year defense cooperation framework, focusing on intelligence, logistics and industrial collaboration. Hyderabad-based Azad Engineering has signed a long-term agreement with Rolls Royce to supply critical components for civil aircraft engines. The DRDO is set to establish a new production facility for the Manik engine, which is a critical component used in the indigenous technology cruise missile. Ministry of Defence has signed a 10,147 crore rupees contract with Solar Industries and Munitions India Limited for the procurement of area denial munition and high-explosive pre-fragmented enhanced rockets for Pinaka system. Adani Defence is all set to deliver 48 Russian IGLA-S launchers and 100 missiles to the Indian Army, which are partly assembled in India. In response to hacking incidents involving drones with Chinese parts, the Indian government has scrapped 3 contracts with private sector companies worth 230 crore rupees for 400 logistics drones for the Indian Army. A 12-member delegation led by Algeria's Chief of People's National Army Staff visited the naval air squadrons at INS Hansa. A flight demonstrator prototype of the Russian Su-57 fifth-generation fighter has landed at the Yelahanka Air Base in Bengaluru to participate in the Aero India 2025. The Director General of Rosbaron Export has said that Russia has offered the all-round development of cooperation on the Su-57E project, that includes supply of ready-made aircraft, the organization of Su-57 joint production in India, as well as assistance in the development of India's AMCA fifth-generation fighter. Russia has offered the Su-57 with AL-51 Stage 2 engines that is capable of sustained flight near Mach 2 without using afterburners, along with a range of weapon systems designed to fit into its internal weapon bays, along with a twin-seat variant for loyal wingman operations. There have been indications of India's renewed interest in the FGFA program, as talks took place regarding restarting discussions on the joint development of FGFA during Prime Minister Modi's visit to Russia in July 2024. Hindustan Aeronautics has confirmed that it is working on an advanced high-altitude long-endurance class of unmanned combat aerial vehicle that will be in the same class as the renowned Avenger drone of the US. The new HAL UCAV will be powered by the indigenous STFE 25 engine, and it will offer a combination of stealth design, high speed and survivability, making it a formidable platform in high-threat environments. It will be used for wide area surveillance, time-sensitive strike missions and flexibility for various military and civilian roles. Swedish firm Saab has completed deliveries of 2,000 units of cargo staff AT-4 lightweight man-portable anti-tank weapons to the Indian Army and Indian Air Force, and the personnel are currently being trained on the weapon, and the Indian manufacturing facility in Haryana will start production by the end of the year. The Chief Operating Officer of Saab India has said that Saab looks forward to wide-ranging discussions with Indian Air Force on its pitch for the Gripen E fighter jet for the MRFA deal that can be delivered within 3 years of the contract with indigenous content and full technology transfer. Today's top 3 comments.